If you want to hide files on a Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to open the settings. Then over here in settings, we're going to scroll down and you want to go to security and privacy. Then over here in security and privacy, we're going to open more security settings. And then in this menu, you can find secure folder. You want to go over here, tap on more and then continue. And then we need to grant all of these permissions. So just tap on continue and then wait for the secure folder to be created. Once the secure folder is created, you have the choice between all of these different password types. So we need to create a password for the secure folder. In my case, I'm going to choose a pattern. I'm going to set up a simple one. Tap on continue after providing the password and then enter it one more time to confirm. There we go. You can also use your Samsung account in order to be able to recover the access to the secure folder in case you forget the password. Of course, it is recommended to do that, but you don't have to do that, and you can just go next. Then over here, you should be able to choose what should happen when the secure folder is locked. So in my case, I'm just going to allow background activity, and let's go next. And then we also have the information about the fact that we can hide our secure folder, so let's just tap done over here. And here we have our secure folder. You can also find it by going to the app drawer. Here it is. Of course, we can tap on these three dots in order to lock and exit the secure folder. And then the next time you need to open it, you have to enter the password. There's also settings, customization. You can also hide the secure folder and so on and so forth. So if you need to, be sure to check these options out. Now, if you want to hide files, then what you can do is you can simply add files to the secure folder over here. And then you can use the My Files app over here to access these hidden files. And this is what we're going to do. First, we're going to open the My Files app normally on our smartphone outside of the secure folder. Usually it is in this Samsung folder over here in the app drawer. Then I'm going to choose an example example file that I want to hide. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here and maybe also this photo over here that I have. And then what we can do is we can tap on these three dots where we have more at the bottom and we can choose to move to the secure folder. And there we go. Now we are moving items to the secure folder. And once it is done, let's see, here we have also the notification. There we go. Once it is done, you should be able to open the secure folder, go to My Files over here, and you should be able to find all your files. So let's see, here we have the picture, and I should also be able to find my file and the installation file over here that I also decided to move. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.